Hi, I'm Chef Carl and welcome to my home. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make surf and surf and surf and turf. And the reason why I said surf 3 times is because I'm going to show you lobster tails, king crab legs, and jumbo shrimp. So
Chef Carl, food whisperer, taking the mystery out of cooking.
So now what I got here is filet of beef, but it's not filet mignon. This is part of a tail, a tenderloin that I cut. These are filet mignon. I cut off a whole tenderloin. And this part is what I call the cap of the tenderloin. It rides on the top of the tenderloin. And you can get usually 2 nice fillets out of it. And there we have it. So, what I'm going to do is just put a little cracked black pepper, a little pink salt, and just a hint of my rub. Not too much. So what I'm going to do now is spray this griddle pan. And I turn on the heat high and get it screaming hot. And while that's happening, always try to keep the handles away from the... I'm going to put the lobster tails in. And we're going to see what happens. We also have the shrimp here. And they should take about 3 minutes. Crab meat's already cooked. So it's just a matter of browning the fillets and popping them in the oven for a few minutes. But we want to make sure it is hot. When you're hot, you're hot. And when you're not, you're not. So, thank you for watching our videos. And do not, please subscribe and leave a message. Ring the bell. Because Ward and I, we put a lot of time and effort into this. We'd like to hear from you. And if you have any suggestions, let us know. And we'll see if we can or cannot accommodate. I also want to thank Mike from Mike's Everyday BBQ because he gave me my start in this business. So let's see what's going on. You don't want to overfill your pan because of the fact that you want to keep the heat going. So now we got a couple of minutes to rest. So these are some mushroom caps. I'm going to lift these one out. And here you can see it. There's a star. And you make that by putting the point of your knife in all the way around, and then when you saute it, it makes a nice star. I put a little lemon juice and butter, and later I'm going to flambe it just a little bit with some cream sherry. Sherry! So what I'm going to do now is I just want to mark these steaks because we're going to pop them in the oven. So let's see how we are. That's nice. That's nice. All right. Looking good. Okay, it's coming along nice. Just peeking at my lobster, it's coming along nice. Probably about another 3 minutes on this. So I'm ending up here with 12 fillets, and we're going to let those brown and we're going to pop them in the oven. Just want to brown them to get the marks on it. Okay, so now I'm going to check on the lobster tail, and they just look really nice. Going to give them one more minute. But with that being said, since I can't be outside on my grill because of the rain, I'm going to bake these for about 5 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to cook these nice 13 to 15 count red Argentinian shrimp. I'm going to give them just a squeeze of lemon. And here are those mushroom caps. I'm just going to start getting them hot so I can flambe them. Cover them with a little piece of foil. Keep the heat going back down in them. And now we wait. We wait and we wait.
Same.
Now these shrimp are done. They're nicely curled. See how they go like this? They're not like this. And they're just in butter and a little lemon juice. And I'm going to pull them off the heat. And here comes the prize of the whole thing. Lobster tail. Let me tell you what, if it wasn't for Walt's birthday, this stuff is like fine gold. But he's worth every penny because he does a great job for me and with me. It's a partnership. And these are perfect. I know you hate lobster, but no, it's more simple.
Oh, Carl, you shouldn't spoil me.
That's all right, sir. You deserve it. That knife's very, very sharp. But it should be tasty. I'm hoping. Thumbs Thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
All right. Now, I'm going to put a little sherry with these mushrooms that I cooked already. Hopefully we'll get it to flambe. Put my glasses on, read instructions. There we go. Now we had it going for a second. About another couple minutes. Oh, that's heavy. We're going to give it 3 more minutes. It's in a 390-degree oven. The lobster tails were in the oven for about 12-14 minutes at 390 degrees with convection on. So, just another little word. So the mushrooms are done, the shrimp are done. Got the crab meat cooking. It's already, actually crab meat just warming because it's already cooked. And we're going to have a really nice meal here. Well, I'm going to pull out a couple of small fillets. I'll plate up. We got fillets. We got lobster. We got crab meat. We're going to jumbo shrimp. We got beautiful sauteed mushroom caps. And that, my friend, is about as nice as you're going to get. So anyway, this is our lobster tail and crab meat and shrimp and nice filet mignon, medium rare with the sauteed mushroom caps. I'm Chef Carl, Food Whisperer, YouTube. I'm also Chef Carl Food on Instagram. Please join me, sign in, and we'll see you next time for a brand new show. Bye, folks. I love you. Peace out.